This Dakar 2024 will be my third participation, and I'm looking forward to it a lot. I've recently changed cars. I was using a T3 car as well, but it was a Can-Am, so it was a great car to learn on, and I enjoyed it a lot. I raced with South Racing, who provide an excellent service, excellent vehicle. I've recently switched to a car that has a sequential gearbox, and that means that you're shifting constantly during the stage. And this was a skill I wanted to add to my skill set. It adds a different stimulant, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. It's going to be my first time racing a Dakar with this kind of car. And we'll do some testing as well before. I'll be joined by my co-driver, Stéphane Duplé, who's racing with me in Dakar. And I actually raced with him in 2021 for the Baja World Cup. And that was a really good season. It was my first year. When I look at Dakar 2024, the route looks lovely. You start in Al Ula, which is a really scenic place in Saudi. It's stunning. So I'm looking forward to that. It's between all of the canyon-like rocks, the red rock, and it's got some sandy tracks also. You finish in Yunbar, which means you actually go all the way south, east, down to the empty quarter, back up through Riyadh, and you finish on the west side again. So it's interesting this year, actually. We have a flight somewhere in the middle of the course. So we go to the empty quarter, we spend 2 days there, and then we take a plane to Riyadh for the rest day. And that's a change in the format. But there's something new where we spend 48 hours in the empty quarter. So they give us the stage over 2 days. They give you one stage through the dunes to finish in 48 hours. For strategy, I don't think that I particularly think too much about this. Honestly, it's just to maintain a consistent pace, to be as quick as possible, but also as cautious as possible, and just to have a smooth ride. For me, that's a constant on a daily basis. I don't change the way I drive from day to day.
Si llegaste hasta acá es porque te gusta realmente el contenido de Automundo, así que te invito a que te suscribas al canal y también a que actives la campanilla de notificaciones y por supuesto a que nos dejes tus comentarios. Y también te invito a que te suscribas al canal exclusivo que tiene Automundo en WhatsApp dedicado al Dakar 2024. Lo único que tenés que hacer es escanear este código QR y directamente vas a recibir notificaciones acerca de las novedades, clasificaciones, videos, historias y un montón de cosas más del Dakar 2024.